Guys, it's 9:05. Market has opened. This is the high of the day. This 15-minute candles. So this is the 8:30 candle right here, where the range is at. So we opened up and market just took a tank, almost down at support. Pivot passed. That was a big drop. This is yesterday's levels here. That's the low of yesterday. We've already passed the open of yesterday. Okay, that's a lot of selling pressure. So all we're looking for is 15 ticks, 2 contracts, get a few trades in. I don't think it's done dropping, so the bias here is selling until we get a return. It's probably going to be one of those days where the market just grinds lower until we get a reversal. It's 9:07 right now. So I'm just going to take a pullback on the sells.
Order filled.
Go ahead and get in one. I'm going to let this room to breathe. I'm going to scale into these trades.
Order filled. Target filled.
There's one. Let's pull that trade. I don't think we're done going down. This one's right here, so. Just going to take the pullbacks on these.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Just taking the pullbacks on the sales here.
Target filled.
There you go. Those are pullback trades. Red candle 15 below the 200. Below the 8.
Order canceled.
Because we're only looking for 15 ticks. And NQ tends to do those wicks.
Order submitted.
Let me see, 540. If it gets us in there, looking for a quick scalp of 15 retracement. What is that? Yeah, it's 535.
Order filled.
There it is.
Target filled.
Usually when it's grinding slow like that, it's going to fluctuate within the 20 ticks. So, but I'm going to put a buy
Order
right
submitted.
here. Looks like we're going to try to get to that. It's 9:10. So I'm going to change this. Since we had that aggressive move, put this at the 30-minute range. That'll be a good destination point to scalp this back to, being out of the range. Because if this is the hour, that's usually about the almost the halfway point. So this broke here, that would be, people would take the breakout on that. But after you had that aggressive move down, you know. It's 9:12. So this is the 8:30, this is the 8:45. That is the 30-minute range. Since we are out, we had that aggressive move.
Order filled.
Scalp there.
Target filled.
Let's pull back trade on the downside. Oh, we're looking for 15 ticks. Scalping the 15-minute candle. Momentum's on the downside. It's the 8:30 candle right here. 8:30 to 8:45 dropped. The reason why I changed this to the 30-minute zone is because of that big drop on the 15. And we're already out. If we look at this, see this here, right about S1 is the next destination point for this to get to. There's some support right there, or resistance. And then you have the low of the day, which is S2. Take a quick scalp
Order
here.
filled. Order filled. Target filled.
Got that one.
Stop filled.
I stopped out on that one, lost one. I took that usually because it makes a, I mean, you look at these wicks here. Got some resistance right there.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stopped out on that one.
Target filled.
Won that.
Order filled.
Move this up here.
Order submitted.
Looks like the
Target
destination wants to
filled.
go here, so. Take
Order
pullback on
filled.
that. Move my stop right above here. Comes back, gets me into another trade going on the downside.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Pull back to the downside. Destination S1.
Order filled.
Scalping the pullbacks on 15-minute red candles
Target filled.
until it actually stops us out. Took those trades on pullback. A downside
Target
momentum.
filled.
Looks like we want to get down here.
Target filled.
There it is, 735. I've got a pending buy right here if it hits it. Quick scalp. That's a support level S1.
Order
There
filled.
it is. Usually it'll make like a
Target
retracement
filled.
right there.
Order submitted.
Let's pull
Order
back.
filled. Target filled.
Let's pull back on the downside on this 15-minute candle.
Order canceled.
Broke S1. Yep, that's that right there. Next level of attraction's down here. Wow, this market just tanked. It's kind of like Fridays. This move here. News open and it tanked. Kind of similar pattern. All we're doing is scalping the 15. So on the 15, we made a lower, lower low, lower low, lower low. And when it does that, usually the pullback is a good trade to take because the next 15-minute candle forms and it wants to go lower. So we're going to
Order
take a quick
filled.
stab right there. That's a pullback trade. Give this room to breathe. Should be a pullback trade for the downside. We'll take
Order
another
filled.
pullback trade there. That's two pullback
Target
trades.
filled.
I'll put my stop right here. It's 923. See if it does another push before that reversal. Go ahead and get out of there.
Order filled.
It's 923. Probably be a good trade to take to go back into the IBR of the 30-minute because right now that would be the hour IBR right there. So I'm going to leave this here. Let me see here. Next low is S2. We broke S1. You know what? 924. Let's pull back trade.
Order filled.
We'll leave that there. If it stops us out, I'm going to start taking trades back into this 30-minute IBR.
Order
Scale
filled.
that in. Just in
Target
case it
filled.
takes us out there, we won that one. That's a pullback trade.
Target filled.
It's another pullback trade, and I just leave my stop right there. It's 925. I may take a trade going back into this 30-minute IBR. Let's go none. Go one contract. Yeah, I'm going
Order
to take that
filled.
trade. Let's see how long. See, so it
Order
might see
submitted.
going back into the 30-minute IBR. Now that the market has settled in, we already passed S1. It's 925. Usually after 9 o'clock, you will have a reversal candle. Okay, this is something I've been looking at. If we take a look at the 30-minute candle, okay, there's usually a reversal candle. And I can show you guys this. Let's go to the hour. That is our 30-minute range right there. So you see this hour candle? This is 7. That is 8. That's the 9 o'clock. And that's 9 o'clock is usually where the reversal point starts happening. So you can see this. It took out, went up. So right now it is 9:27. So we got a new 30-minute candle coming in. So you can see 1, 2, that's 3 hours going down. So right now we're in a buy trade going back into the IBR of the 30-minute range because this here is the hour range. That there is the hour range. If we change this to the 30-minute, see that's 8:30, that's 9 o'clock, that's 9:30, that's the low. That is a 1 hour range. The hour range really has good levels. So especially after an aggressive move like that, it likes to retrace at least halfway back. So right now, that is the hour range, but we're looking to go back to the 30-minute range, which is about halfway point from the hour. So the market has settled down. It is 9:28. There's usually a reversal that comes about this time. Now we're going back into the 30-minute IBR instead of the 15 because of this aggressive move. So that would be a good level. So we'll just hold it. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and come back once we get close to it or we make a move lower. Okay, guys, looks like we're making a move back to the 30-minute range here. This is a pullback to the IBR range on the 30-minute because we had that aggressive move down. And this is the hour. So the hour range, that's probably going to be our bottom after that news drop. That's the 30-minute. That's where I got this profit target going. And usually between 9 and 10 is usually where you see a reversal. As you can see, let's go to the 15-minute. So this is the 15 open, 8:30, that's the 8:45. These two 15-minute candles, that's 30-minute range, and that is the hour. Halfway to the hour is the 30. And usually there's a reversal between 9 and 10. That usually happens, and this is what we're in right now on one contract, going back to the IBR range, 30-minute. So it looks like it's making a move right now. It is 9:39, 10:39 Eastern. We're in one contract after we scalp down. And this is actually pretty consistent as far as the, usually about 9:15, 9:30, it will have a reversal candle. So we can see back here. See, this is the reversal candle. Where it reverses up. And this is this candle here, what's going on right now. So usually about 9:15, 9:30, look for the reversal. It is 9:40. So the breakout on the 15 was successful. As you can see, it broke out. That was the run that a lot of people take, which is down here. And that's actually a news move when that 8:30 candle opened up. Now we're looking to go back into the IBR. So those hours and 30-minute, 15-minute, I mean, all those levels work on the IBR strategy. This is the hour. And you see it's reversing. And usually on the hour, it would reverse at least 50% way, which is roughly about there. So we're going to leave that there and let this play out. I'm in one contract going back to the IBR low on the 30-minute. $9.41. We'll just let this play out. So make a note, about 9:15, 9:30, there is a reversal. Let's see, look at the 30-minute candles. That's the 30-minute range. That's the hour range. So usually about reversal. Let's look at the hour. Look at that hour candle. See, that's the hour candle right there. And I've got my take profit right at the close of this hour drop. So between 9 and 10 o'clock, you'll start seeing reversals within that hour to go back. So if you're watching this, keep that in mind. After 9 o'clock, there's usually a reversal that happens. And on this reversal, I've got to take profit right at the bottom of the 8 o'clock candle. That's the 8. This is the 9. And that's the 30. So we'll just let this play out. It's 9:44. That'll probably happen on this next 15-minute candle here. see, that's almost a doji type of candle on 15. Now you have the reversal. This is the 9:30 candle. So the reversal started coming at 9:30. So about 9:15. So we're holding this trade back into the 30-minute IBR range, because that would be the 15 there. So we'll be happy if it takes the 30. We'll just let this play out. It may happen on this candle right here. This is the 9:45 candle. I'd like to see that push up and take that out. So I got to make that on my notes. 9:30 candle. Start looking for the reversal candle about 9:15. Almost there. We should push to it. So we scalped the breakout on the way down, and now we're holding a trade on the reversal back up to the 30-minute range because the 15-minute range is so big. We'll just let this play out. It's probably going to make a pullback and then go up and break it before the next 15-minute candle forms. So it should break it within this 9:45 to 10 o'clock candle, which is 10:45 to 11 o'clock Eastern time. Almost there, guys. Look at that. 9:30 reversal. Make sure you write that down. 9:30 reversal. You could just take micros. We're almost there. We're just looking to get out of that.
Order
There
filled.
it is. Wow. That worked out perfectly. So this is the 15-minute. This is the 15-minute open right there. That's the 30-minute. Usually about 9:15 to 9:30, you have the reversal coming, and that's what we caught it back to the mid-level of the hour. That's the hour. That's the 30. So that actually worked out pretty good. I'm gonna start looking at that. But we scalped out of the 15-minute, made a run, and we took one trade going back into the 30-minute IBR. Usually about 9:15 or 9:30, you'll have a reversal. And usually if it's the hour, it goes back to half of where the IBR is at. So those trades today, testing those out, scalping, and holding the trade back to the IBR, 32.70.